Hello there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will take you through questions on rating of compressors in industrial hydraulics and pneumatics. Let's tackle this question. Air is used at a rate of 30 cubic meters per minute from a receiver at 90 degrees Celsius and 125 kilopascals gauge pressure. If the atmospheric pressure is 101.3 kilopascals and the atmospheric temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, how many cubic meters per minute of free air must the compressor provide? Solution. Given. Volume rate V2 equals 30 cubic meters per minute. Absolute temperature T1 equals 298 Kelvin. Absolute temperature T2 equals 363 Kelvin. Pressure P1 equals 101.3 kilopascals. Absolute pressure P2 equals 226.3 kilopascals. Finding the rate of free air provided by the component. Applying combined gas laws. V1 equals 55.02 cubic meters per minute.